Thank you for coming back to my channel for a stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, right now we're going to be talking about stimulus for schools and stimulus checks. Y'all, this video is mainly my opinion. I hope I don't step on no toes, but I'm just going to let you know how I feel about these two items. Okay, Donald Trump is growing more and more agitated with Congress for not doing anything for the people and not including the stimulus checks into the skinny bill. He is getting closer and closer to issuing the stimulus checks himself out of the $300 billion that's just sitting there. More and more people are starting to back him up on this. He can do this under a presidential act. The money is sitting there. He can reallocate it to stimulus checks and do it without the approval of the House or the Senate. It looks like he may have to do that if they don't put that amount of money into the Skinny Anorexic Right to Work Act. I think they will do it because they know they're under the gun. They know Election Day is coming up, and if they don't do something right now fast to help the people, they will lose their jobs. Now, I know they're all millionaires and billionaires, and it won't hurt them to lose their jobs. But you got the thing about any politician, I don't care who he is eat up with ego. And if he's voted out of office, it's going to kill their ego. So they don't want to get voted out. I mean, just think about this with the ego thing. Someone says, I'm going to run for office because I can do a great job. What is that? He's saying that he can do a better job than anybody else. That's ego. It's one of the deadly sins, ain't it? Okay, funding for schools. In the Skinny Anorexic Right to Work Act that the Senate is trying to get passed, they got $105 billion going to schools with a breakdown of what type of schools gets how much. Now, y'all hear me out on this, because if you just hear this one line, you're going to get upset with me. But understand what I'm saying. I believe the whole $105 billion should be going to public schools. Y'all, private schools are a choice mainly for rich people. So why should we pay for their rich lifestyle? If public schools is good for our kids, it should be good for their kids. Okay. One other reason I see it this way. Private schools is a private business. So why don't they put private schools in the same category for businesses and let them have PPP money? There's a lot of PPP money that wasn't claimed. That can go to private schools. Then all that $105 billion can go to public schools. Then you would have more money for stimulus checks for the people. And it could very well be ongoing stimulus checks. Y'all, that's just my opinion. I know everybody won't agree with that. That's the great part about being American. We got our own opinions. Y'all, please check out my books in the links below. Check out the new YouTube channel in the links below. It's all about making money online. It's all about creating something that you won't have to depend on a stimulus check. Y'all, I do love you all. This will probably be my last video today. But please subscribe to this channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments, and share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. And I love you all. We will get out of this with our heads held high. Jesus Christ will see to it. Thank you. Ciao.